Let's be real. Do you want to boost your mineral levels naturally? Here are 4 simple dietary tips for you. First, I want you to increase your magnesium-rich foods such as leafy greens, spinach, and nuts, and that will help replenish the magnesium you might be lacking, causing some cramps. Second, boost your calcium. We all know dairy products are hardcore calcium, so you want to boost those up if you drink dairy, or you could add leafy greens or plant-based milks if you're more on the vegan vegetarian side. Third, you want to increase your zinc. Pumpkin seeds and chickpeas are just packed with zinc to help strengthen your immune system. Occasionally you can have some seafood, but be cautious because there are heavy metals in there. And the fourth is to balance your potassium. We all know bananas are high in potassium, but also prunes are very high, and you can eat some sweet potatoes, some avocados, and those will help your muscles function properly. Food is our first line of defense in maintaining mineral balance. So if you want a personalized plan to restore your mineral levels, DM us to me and we'll get you on the schedule and a free call today, and we'll just keep it real. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.